If you've ever wondered how websites are built, this course will teach you the foundation. In this series, we are going to learn HTML step by step and build our first web page together. Anyways, welcome to the channel. My name is Kelvin, and on this channel, I share tutorials about web development, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and so on. So when we say HTML, what at all does HTML means? Firstly, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, meaning it is the standard language used to create and structure web pages. Every website you visit on the internet uses HTML to define elements like headings, paragraphs, images, or links. And don't worry, we'll talk about these elements soon. To help you understand HTML better, think of it as the frame of a car. Now, the frame gives the car its shape. It holds the body, the seats, the wheels, and everything in place. Now, before we start coding, there are few simple tools you need to install. And the good news is they are completely free. The tools are a web browser and a text editor. For the web browser, you can choose to use any browser of your choice, and it's fine. But I'll be using Google Chrome through this entire course. As you can see, I have it pre-installed. And if you want to download Google Chrome, simply go to your default browser. Now, assuming I'm not having Google Chrome, I'll go to my default browser, which is Microsoft Edge. I'll click on it. In the address bar, I will type Google Chrome download. Then I'll press enter. Now, since it's one of the most trusted web browsers, they're always located at the top. Click on the first link. This should bring you to their main homepage. Click on download Chrome and the download process will start. And I think for the installation, you can handle that. I believe in you. For the text editor, I'll be using Visual Studio Code through this entire course, and I would encourage you to use the same because it's lightweight, beginner friendly, and it will help you get along well with this course. Now, I already have Visual Studio Code installed as you can see, but if you want to download, simply locate your browser, double click. In the address bar, type VS Code, download, and press enter. Now click on the first link. As you can see, these are the most popular operating system softwares right now. Select the operating system you are using and the download process will start. And I'm sure you can handle the installation process. After the installation is complete, we will need to create a new folder where we will save all our files. And the convenient place to save or to create the folder will be on the desktop because it will be easier to find. So we'll create a new folder. We'll name it HTML. We press enter. And here, as simple as that. Feel free to create the folder wherever you want, but make sure it will be easier to find. Now, after creating your folder, open your Visual Studio Code software. This should be the interface you should see. Now click on open folder. So we are trying to locate where we created our folder. Created it on the desktop. We double click on the desktop. Now when we look through, we named it HTML. So we click on it, then we click select folder. Just like that. Now we are in. After linking your folder, I will recommend two extensions that will help you finish setting up your environment. And the extensions are a live server and a prettier code formatter. The reason is because for the live server, it has a local development server with a real-time browser reloading. This means your browser updates itself anytime you change the content of your web page in your text editor. Don't worry, you'll see the live server in action as we proceed. And for the prettier code formatter, as the name implies, it simply ensures consistent readability across files. To get these two, click on the extension tab, search for live server. As you can see, it's pre-installed. Then the next will be prettier code formatter. And as you can see too, this is also pre-installed. And with this setup, you're ready to begin your coding journey. In order not to scare you away, I've divided this course into two main parts, each with a timestamp that would help you navigate through easily. And if you're new here and you want to learn web development step by step, feel free to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment down below so you don't miss the rest of the course. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.